Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video we have just started the new chapter, that was chapter number 4, our environment. Here in environment, what is environment? First of all we have seen that is everything that surrounds us is known as our environment. Everything which is surrounded us, that is known as our environment. In that there are two types of the components, living components and non-living components. So what is living components? Living components is the components like plants and animals, that are the living components which just can live, they have life, they are the living components of the environment. And secondly, that is non-living components of the environment, that is different of the thing which are non-living thing and which surround us, that is the non-living components of the environment. Okay students, now here then after we have seen about the ecology. What is ecology? That is, ecology is the science that deals with living things in their environment and all the different relations that exist there. Okay, so here ecology is what? That deals with the science in the living components of the environment, that is the ecology. Then after we have seen the pollution. So what is pollution? Anything which harms to the living things, that is known as the pollution. Okay students, now here moving forward, then after we have seen three things in that, but before that we have seen about the sanitization. What is sanitization? Means if there is any garbage aside or anything else which just produce the pollution, to just remove that, the sanitization is required. Okay, so here moving further, we have seen the 3 points, that is quite often blocked drainage, overflowing sewage, garbage and domestic waste, and stinking dirty stagnant water on the street create very unhygienic and insanitary condition. So here what happens? Due to this, the sewage means matlab ke वही gutter just overflow, and that all the things, it just create the unhygienic condition. So for that we have to just sanitize it. Okay, so the bacteria, the microorganisms doesn't grow more. Okay, so here also garbage does not just remain in one place. Plastic bags fly about blown by the wind. If cows and goats eat them, they chop on the plastic and die. Okay, so here the plastic things, the plastic bags which just fly away with the wind, if the cow or goats eat, then their system is chopped. So what happened? They just die. Then after this third point, we have seen that the plastic bags and that all just fly away to the seas and ocean and also pollutes that. Okay, so that is plastic bag find their way to rivers and even ocean, polluting them. Okay, now coming towards the sanitization, what is it and how it is done? Let us see that. Sanitization. Sanitization. Okay, so what is it? And let us see that. First, here it is given, the civil authorities are supposed to make arrangement for sanitization. So watch what things are there in the sanitization. Let us see that. So here the civil authorities, authorities are supposed to make arrangements for sanitization that is daily collection of garbage transporting the garbage to sites far away from the city and so on. Okay, so here firstly, how sanitization is done by whom? The civil authorities like the Nagarpalikas, Mahanagarpalikas, municipal corporation, that all the things have responsibility for sanitization. अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूँ कि भाई आपके यहाँ कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो अकॉर्डिंग टू द दिस ड्रेनेज सिस्टम और एनीथिंग एल्स, you just call the Nagarpalika workers and they will just do on their work and sanitize it. Okay, students. So different things have different departments are there. Water department, this sewage department, this different departments have their duties to do that. Then after, what they just do? So here, first of all, the civic authorities are supposed to make arrangements for sanitization. Firstly, daily collection of garbage. Here we have seen the one in that the song सुबह सुबह एक गाड़ी आ जाती है, स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने. Yes, that sings that song and we know that the garbage collection is coming. Okay, so we just go outside and just give the garbage, we just put the garbage on that car. Okay, then after transporting the garbage to site far away from the city and so on. So here that full, if we just talk the Sihor, we just talk about our village, then our town, yes, then what, all this garbage are collected and then after just thrown far away from the Sihor and that site. So there is specific name of that site where this all the garbage is thrown and some of are recycled, then after it is also just some are biodegradable, some are non-biodegradable, so they are separated. Okay, this all things are done over there. So let us see what is it is called. So such sites means which site? The site where garbage is transported such sites are known as landfill. So where this all the things are just collected. Okay. So here the things where all the things are collected means all this garbage, all this waste are collected at one place out of the city or the town. That is known as what? It is known as the landfills. So it can be asked in fill in the blanks, MCQ, true, false, it can be asked. Okay, students, that is known as the landfills. Now here, moving forward, that is, they should also arrange for the sweeping the street daily, then periodically spraying DDT or some disinfectants along the edges of the road. Okay, then after building public toilets and keeping them clean. So here other duties for this are which so other duties are, we can say that they should they should also arrange for sweeping the street daily periodically spraying DDT or some disinfectant along the edges of the road, public building public toilets and keeping that clean. Okay, so these are the duties these are the other duties which should be just done by the civic authorities, okay, like Nagarpalikas, then the municipal corporation, Mahanagarpalikas, and that all. So let us see again about the sanitization. That is, first of all, these authorities have to make the arrangements, okay, for what daily collection of garbage, daily just collecting all the garbage. We know that in our some respective areas, respective societies, one just garbage collecting car or just it comes to collect these all garbage. Then after transporting the garbage to sites far away from the city and so on. So this which garbage is collected, then they should be just thrown away out of the city or the town. So that are known as what? Landfills. The site where the garbage is transported, such sites are known as landfills. Okay, they are known as the landfills. Then after, they should also arrange for sweeping the street daily. Here we know that जो जो कुछ कुछ महिलाएं होती है वो क्या आती है हमारे रोड साफ करने के लिए, जो स्ट्रीट है हमारी गली वहाँ पे साफ करने के लिए आते हैं. सो दैट इज अरेंज्ड बाय द सिविक ऑथोरिटीज. ओके. देन आफ्टर, periodically spraying DDT or some disinfectant along the edges of the road. Here we have also seen a white color powder which they just put on edges of the road. So that is DDT or other disinfectant. Okay. Then after, it is they have to build public toilets and keep them clean. They have to just build public toilet. We have seen some of the public toilet, okay, in many places. The public toilets are there, which is built by the civic authorities like nagarpalikas, mahanagarpalikas, municipal corporation, and that all. So there is they don't have to just build, they have to keep it clean regularly. Okay students. Now here, moving forward, that is, but sometimes the local government fails to take the above steps. When what can be done in such a situation? The citizen can and must do something. अभी कभी कभी जो civic authorities है, local civic authorities, they just do not do this all the things. Then what should a common man have to do? He or she have to do many things which is possible by him or her. Okay. Then after, use dustbins provided. Here if we just put the garbage on the dustbin which is provided on the side of the road, then it should be easy for the this collecting garbage car. So they will just directly collect from there and just put on the landfills. Then after, do not throw garbage on the road. So here what should be done by us? That is, we don't have to throw garbage over there. Okay. Then next, that is, garbage attracts flies, rats, mosquitoes, and cockroach. Here if we just throw the garbage on the roadside, then what will happen? They will just create the different types of microorganisms, organisms, insects, and that all the things over there, and which will harm to us only. Which if there is a mosquito came from them and it come to our home, then it just cause malaria and other diseases. Okay. Then after, burning garbage is not a good idea. The smoke pollutes the air. That is why garbage is taken to landfills outside the city. Here, if we just burn the this garbage, then what happens? It produces the smoke and it just pollutes the environment, and it is not good. So they should be transferred to the landfills. Okay. Then after, that is why garbage is taken to the landfills outside the city. There it can decompose or rot and change into manure. So in the landfills, what I have told, it is just recycled, and also thus they are separate, biodegradable and non-biodegradable separately, and which are degradable, they degrade it and convert into the manure, and which are non-biodegradable, they just recycle or reuse them. Then after, moving further, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. What is it? Let us see that. Okay. So here, So here, coming towards our new topic, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Let us see that. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Substance. Okay, let us see that. Okay, students. So here, first of all, we will see what is biodegradable. So here, biodegradable biodegradable substance are those that decompose decompose or are broken up by bacteria or other organisms. So here examples of it are fruits and vegetable peels left over food, newspaper, cotton cloth, wood, and so on. Now, non-biodegradable. What is that? So, non-biodegradable substance are those that do not decay or decompose even after many years. Examples are plastics, glass bottle, tin can, and so on. Okay, so here it is biodegradable and non-biodegradable things. First of all, biodegradable things. What is the biodegradable things? The things which can decay and decompose are known as the biodegradable substance, and it is decayed by the what, bacteria or other organisms. It is decayed by the bacteria or other organisms. Okay, so it is biodegradable. Then after non-biodegradable, that is what? So non-biodegradable, that is the substance that are not decayed or decompose even after many years. Okay, that which cannot be decomposed and decay, that are known as the non-biodegradable substance. Okay students, now again here biodegradable substance are those that decay, decompose, or broken down by bacteria or other organisms. Examples are vegetables and fruit peels, means जो छाल होती है वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट की, दैट लेफ्ट ओवर फूड, जो फूड ऐसे ही पड़ा है वो, न्यूज़पेपर्स, कॉटन क्लोथ्स, वुड एंड सो ऑन. This all the things are biodegradable things. Then after non-biodegradable things, that is non-biodegradable substance are those that do not decay or decompose even after many years. Okay, even after many years, जो चीज this which is not decay or which cannot be decomposed, so that are known as the non-biodegradable, and it many of the years it will not be decomposed or does not decay. Okay, and here the examples are plastics, glass bottles, tin cans, and so on. So this definitions and this example, please write down in your book, students. Okay, I am just giving you some time. Okay students, here in some cities the use of plastic carry bags has banned. In some cities In some other, there are two trash cans in all places. A green paint, one for biodegradable garbage such as vegetables and fruit skins and kitchen waste, and a red or blue one for non-biodegradable items. Okay, so in some cities, what they do, they have the two different types of the dustbin. One is of green, in which you have to just throw the biodegradable substance, and blue or red, in which you have to throw the non biodegradable substance. Okay, so here again I am just reading it, that is, all things do not decompose, that is, decay over time. Biodegradable substances are those that decay, decompose, or are broken up by bacteria or other organisms. Some examples of biodegradable substances are fruit and vegetable peels, leftover food, newspapers, cotton cloth, wood, and so on. Non-biodegradable substances are those that do not decay or decompose even after many years. Some examples are plastic, glass bottle, tin cans, and so on. Some of them can be recycled, and attempts are being made to find way to recycle all biodegradable substances. Okay, so here this is the biodegradable and non-biodegradable substance. Okay, so here in your homework, what you have to write? Homework. What is biodegradable and non-biodegradable substance with example. Okay, students, so this is your homework, and you have to submit it in the respective number. Okay, students, and we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye, students.